How y'all doing, guys? Hope y'all doing good today. As I promised, this may be a short video, but we gonna do some pulls with the Yonaka mounts, and we gonna see how it holds up. As I told you, it's not tuned yet, so I'm gonna just go ahead, do some small pulls, and we see how it goes. I got the GoPro hooked up, so it's gonna show you the engine, and I'll probably be talking while we drive. Let's go. Yeah, so giving it a little test right now. See how this all holds up. Car's vibrating a lot now. Quick thing, guys. I'm not even talking right now. I'm trying to focus. Woo! I gotta check the transmission out. Something feel like it needs to be tightened up. How it feel? Good. Feels good? Yeah. Yes, sir. Got my little brother with me today. About to leave in the fuel. To do some adjustments and stuff, but feels good so far. See, there's something with the transmission. Wow. Yeah, something got to be tightened up. I don't know what's going on, but something got to be tightened up with that transmission. Yeah. Yes, guys, so that's the end of the video. This was not supposed to be 2 videos. The previous one, this should be included in the previous one, but my GoPro failed. I bought a memory card, so the memory card fixed the problem. I don't have to replace the GoPro, so I got some GoPro footage for you guys, and as I said, it's a short video, but check this.
3, 2, 1.
Boost!
Me and her grind cause it feel right time. This is real life sign, this should be like, yeah. Know we bout to ride, yeah, we rollin'. X keep calling, you hate it.